Children's Mercy Park is getting ready for the first home game of Kansas City Sporting. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton home team of Keller Williams, bringing you another one of our favorite Kansas City features. This year, KC Sporting will be hosting their first home game against Philadelphia Union, and the city excitement is building. In fact, if you look at the link below, there are multiple restaurants and store venues who are offering specials today through Saturday to kick off this first season home game. In fact, no other pub on Thursday is having a special happy hour from 6 to 8. So check out all the details below as we launch a new season with KC Sporting. Love where you live, Kansas City. We're excited for a new season to begin.